In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this animation using Canva. Start by placing your images in the frames. Duplicate the first page. You're going to be changing the positions of the frame according to how you want them to move. Select the first frame, resize it and move it to the position of the last frame. Select the last frame, resize it and move it one place to the left. Do the same for all the other frames. Select it, resize and move them one place to the left. As you move them, go to the Layers panel and adjust their position. Change the position of the text for each frame so that each goes with their corresponding frames. Resize the text so they match with the previous page. Duplicate the page and repeat. Select the first frame, resize it and move it to the position of the last frame. Select the last frame, resize it and move it one place to the left. Do the same for the other frames. Rearrange the text so they match with their corresponding frames. Duplicate and repeat the same thing. Select, resize and move one place to the left. Rearrange the text and arrange everything on the Layers panel. On each page, you can have something in the background. Select them, resize, and move them around on each new page. Go to Transitions, select Match and Move, apply to all pages. Just like that, you are done. That's it for today's tutorial. Before you go, if you'd like professionally designed Canva templates you can customize for your own brand or projects, I've linked some in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva. I'll see you in the next video.